Let's take a look at how to open Techcombank online account. Now, in order to open an account of Techcombank online, what you need to do is first of all download the application. And once the application has been downloaded, you'll be able to see a similar interface. Just head over to New to Techcom, which you'll then need to select a type of account that you're trying to create. For example, if you're trying to create a current account, simply select the first option. Now, in order to get started, you need to first of all add in your phone number. Make sure you add in a valid phone number, which will then receive a OTP. And when you add in the OTP, in the next step, you'll need to use your phone's camera to scan the physical chip-based ID, which is the citizen ID. And then you need to complete a 360-degree face scan, which is a selfie video, in order to match your face with the photo ID. Once everything is complete, lastly what you need to do is create your credentials, which is the username and the password. So that's basically it on the steps that you need to follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.